Good morning, F2, and welcome to our maths lesson. Have a think. What day is it today? While you're thinking about that, let's sign the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What day is it today? If you said Friday, you're right. My turn. Today is Friday. Your turn. Well done. Today, we're going to practice our counting again using numbers between 0 and 20. We've already practiced our teen numbers and we know that they need the n sound at the end. Ask your grown-up to listen carefully as you're counting so that they can help you if you get stuck. Right, first of all, we're going to start with 0 and we're going to stop at number 13. Let's count forwards first, and that means our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Off we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let's count backwards. That means our numbers are going to be getting smaller. Off we go. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This time let's start at number 11 and we'll stop at number 20. First let's count forwards. Remember, that means our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Off we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's count backwards. That means our numbers are going to be getting smaller. Off we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Okay, here's another little job for you to warm up our brains ready to start our maths lesson. Here are some number lines, but I haven't put all of them there. They don't always start with 0 or 1, so you have to think really carefully. Let's look at the first number line together. It has 3, 4, 5, 6, but there's a number missing. What's the last number on our number line? Pause the video while you work it out. Okay, now let's have a look together. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right, it's 7. Have a look at the next one. Pause the video while you have a go, then come back and we'll check it together. Okay, let's look at the next one together. This one does start on number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you say 5? Well done if you did. Last one. This one's a little bit trickier because the missing number is in the middle. Have a look and see if you can work it out. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, let's have a look at it together. 4, 5, 6. Did you say 7? Well done if you did. Just to be sure, let's go back and say all of the numbers now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's right. Okay, today we're going to do a different job. We're going to make some marks to represent the numbers. Now, let's get started. Just going to turn our spotlight on because we're going to use it to help us. Now, on this page, there are some cars hiding, but I'm not going to show you all of the cars. I'm just going to show you one at a time. Now, When you see the cars, you're going to need a whiteboard and pen, or some paper and a pencil. And what we're going to do is every time we see a car, we're going to make a little mark like that. That tells me that I've seen one car. If I see another car, I'm going to make another mark. Now it tells me that I've seen two cars. Are you ready? Let's do the first one together. Okay. Oh, I can see a car. Let's make one mark on our paper. We've already seen one car. Let's see if there are any more. Oh, there's another car. Let's put another mark. Now it tells us that we've seen two cars. Let's keep going. Oh, here's another car. How many cars have we seen this time? 1, 2, 3 cars so far. Have you got 3 marks too? Oh, here's another one. One more mark. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 marks. We must have seen 4 cars. Oh, here's another orange car. Let's make another mark. Now we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars altogether. I wonder if there are any more cars. Oh, here's another one. Let's make another mark for this car. Is that all of the cars? Yes, there are no more cars. Let's count how many cars we saw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to turn the spotlight off and we can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars. Well done if you got 6 marks on your paper. Now, I'm just going to put the spotlight on so you can't see the next page. And let's move on. This time, it looks like we have some teddies, but I wonder how many teddies we have. Are you ready to make your marks to count them? Off we go. Oh, here's the first teddy. Let's make a mark to say we've seen one teddy already. Right, let's look for some more. 1. Oh, here's a little teddy. Let's make another mark for this teddy. Now we've seen 2 teddies altogether. Here's another big teddy. Let's make another mark. That's 3 teddies all together so far. Let's have a look for some more. Ooh, no teddies here. Oh, here's another teddy. One more mark. That's 4 teddies all together. Any more teddies? And a little teddy. 5 teddies. Oh, no more teddies. Let's turn the spotlight off. In fact, before we do that, let's just check how many marks we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shall we see if we have 5 teddies? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done if you got that right. Okay, let's put the spotlight back on. Your turn this time. I'm going to show you the balls and you need to put your marks on your paper so that you can count how many we have. Are you ready? Okay. Have a count, see how many marks are on your paper. Then I'll show you how many balls there are on the page. If you need to pause the video while you count, you can do that. Okay, let's turn off the spotlight and check how many balls there were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get 8 marks on your paper? Well done if you did. Right, let's put the spotlight on. It's going to be your turn again. This time, we have some dogs on our page. Are you ready to count them? Off we go. Okay, that's all of the dogs. Count the marks on your paper and see how many dogs you think you saw. Pause the video while you do that if you need to. Okay, let's turn off the spotlight and check how many dogs there were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dogs. There are 7 dogs altogether. Well done if you had 7 marks on your paper. Right, this time we're going to do it in a different way. There's going to be a window on the next page and you're going to watch to see how many cars drive past. Are you ready? Okay. Every time you see a car drive past, don't forget to put a mark on your page. Then we'll stop and we'll check it together. Okay, count the marks on your paper and then I'll bring all the cars back so that we can count them together. Okay, you ready? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars all together. Did you have 5 marks on your page? Well done if you did. This time we have birds. The birds are going to fly past the window and you're going to write a mark on your paper every time you see a bird. Let's get started. Are you ready? Okay. Have a go at counting the marks that you have on your page. Pause the video if you need to while you do that, and then I'll bring all of the birds back and we can count them together. Let's count the birds together. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birds. Maybe your marks looked like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's have a go at something else. This time we have dogs coming past our window. Let's see if you can count how many dogs run past the window. Don't forget to make your marks on your paper to help you to keep track of how many dogs you've seen. Are you ready? Okay, how many dogs did you count? Count your marks to work it out. Pause the video if you need to while you do that. Then I'll bring all the dogs back and we can count how many there were altogether. Okay, let's see how many dogs there were. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you have 4 marks? Maybe your 4 marks looked like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done if you got it right. Okay, one more. This time we have balloons flying past our window. See if you can count how many balloons fly past the window. Don't forget to make the marks on your paper so that you can keep track of how many balloons fly past. Are you ready? Okay, all our balloons have flown past now. How many did you count? Count the marks on your page to find out. Pause the video while you do that if you need to. Then we'll check them together. Okay, let's get our balloons to fly back down and we'll count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons. Did you have 5 marks on your page? Well done if you did. Okay, here's your job for today. I want you to have a look around your house and I want you to make marks to find out how many of each of these things you have in your house. How many windows are there in your house? Walk around your house with your grown-up and make a mark on your page every time you see a window. So when you've finished, you can count how many windows are in your house. How many doors are in your house? How many people live in your house? How many spoons are there in your house? And if you go for your daily walk, how many blue cars do you see when you go for your walk? Take your paper with you and make marks to count how many blue cars you see. Don't forget to take a picture and to send it to our class email address to show us what you have been doing. See you next week. Bye.